mamaya. What's up guys? Today nandito tayo kila Ate Roma. It's Easter Saturday, Easter weekend. So today mag-egg hunting tayo. Right kay Ethan?
Yeah!
Right kay Elijah?
Yeah! Welcome to our release video! Hi!
Who do you guys think will get lots of eggs?
The text this is for domain, bro.
What about you, Kuya Alice? You gonna look for eggs?
Yeah! I think I will know where they are.
Why?
I'll look everywhere.
So you're cheating?
I'll look everywhere.
You're gonna be cheating, ha? Sila tatay nagtatago ng mga itlog. So, tingnan natin kung saan sila magtatago ng itlog. Nagtatago pa sila ng itlog.
Where?
Outside, in the back. Nandiyan, nagluto ka na? Ay, wag na. Putya, di pa na masarap. Binibida mo pa. Yung ginataang mais. Wow, thank you very much, Kati. Lalagay kita sa vlog ko. Titikman ko yung ginataang mo. Pachamba. Hi, Emil. Look at you. Hi. Is that dinosaur? Look, oh. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Look at Emil here, oh. Look at Emil. Look at Emil.
Don't touch it here.
Look at Emil, oh. Are you a dinosaur? Mamaya nga. That's not yours. That's not yours. Nangunguna na siya. Nangunguna na. Mamaya nga. Mamaya. Tago mo muna to. It's okay. It's okay. Mamaya pa kasi yun. Nagbabarbecue daw si Gerald. Tingnan natin kung anong niluluto. Tay! Saan ka nag-aana? Saan ka nagtatago dyan? Tingnan yung sapatos mo, oh. Ano yan, tol? Yun. Sarap. Alam ko na ako saan maghahanap. Ano, mami?
Video mo kami naglalagay ng itlog.
Gago, lagay. Baka $2 naman laman yan. Hindi worth it hanapin yan.
100.
Yun. Dito, lagyan mo dito, mami.
Tatanggal ba yan?
Oo, natanggal ko.
Ayaw.
Wait lang. Lagay tayo dito. Ah, wala. Ayaw matanggal. Why are you whining?
Oh my god!
Stop whining.
Sit down, Ethan. We're gonna make you go high. We're gonna go from the edge.
Boom. Boom. Hi, Emon. Hi. You swing. Naka-helmet ka pa. Hi. Hey. Hi, Emon.
Sipon daw.
You're swing. Yeah, me too. Oh, go slide. Go slide there, oh. Emil, go slide there. Slide. Go slide. Oh, you wanna swing there? Swing daw siya dito, mama. Go, swing, Emil. Wow.
May helmet ka pa, ha?
Swing. Hi, Emil. Are you swinging?
Ang ending, nasaktan pa siya dun sa helmet. Uy, OA ka, Emil.
Slide? You wanna go slide?
No. I want to slide.
Huh? You want swing? Okay. Walang sawa tong ato. Okay, taste test na tayo nung ginataang mais ni Kati.
That's right. Yeah, not me. But the point is, yes, for sure. The first 20 minutes of the playoffs.
Hindi ko tuloy malasahan. Inaantay niyo sumubo.
And it started that day for them, LA. So opening face-off, and you're going to see that the
Pwede na, pwede na.
job getting the
Pwede na, makakain na. Hindi, masarap, masarap. Order na kayo. Hap.
this our Sportsnet website, Jacob Stahl today wrote a great article.
Okay, egg hunting na. Let's go. So, egg hunting na. Let's go. Maghahunt na sila ng mga eggs. May mga pera yung eggs and chocolates. Let's go. Meron dito. Meron doon. Alam ko meron doon. Meron din dito. Nakatapos dyan. Nakatago dyan. So, let's see. They're getting ready. Let's go. Okay, where are the guys and girls?
Go, 1, 2, 3, smile!
Ma, where's Ellis?
Alice!
Where's Olivia? Ay, it is Olivia. Sheila. Oh, no teaming up. You go hunt for your own. No, I don't want Taki.
Hinay mo na, sa ito
Are you guys ready? Ellis, stay here.
Alice, take a picture. Elijah, go.
Okay, ready, guys? Oh, picture. Picture. Look here, look here. 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Come here. Come. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Ikaw eh. Go, hunt! Mamaya na yan, kuya, go! Go, hunt for the eggs. Ellis, somewhere here. Diyan. Hanap. Diyan, underneath there, yeah. Look. Hunt. Anong wait, tita? Kayaan mo si Sheila maghanap. You're not looking. Go behind there.
40 plus eggs.
Yeah. Kaway na. Nagalit si Ethan. Go, Ellis. Olivia found one. Tingnan mo dyan sa likod ng ano. Tingnan mo dyan sa likod. Tingnan mo lang. Tingnan mo kasi. Oh, ikaw nga eh. Oh, go find some, Ellis. Go. There's lots. Go, hurry up. Ayun, Kuya Elijah got another one. Help Ellis, Kuya. Ellis, around here. Try to find around the corners. Yeah, keep going there. Tingnan mo, madami dyan. Go, keep going. Yeah, tingnan mo dyan. Dito sa ilalim dito, baka meron dito. Dito, baka meron dyan. Tingnan mo, go, closer.
No.
Keep looking. Sometimes Lolo put it under the grass. Go, keep looking, guys. Go. Ayun, go. Get it.
Meron?
Ellis, try here. Try this one. Oh, wala dyan. Wala. Go, keep finding. Go, tignan mo doon sa mga gilid-gilid. Sa ilalim nitong ano. Sa ilalim nito. Pwede yan.
200.
Sa ilalim nito.
There's nothing in there.
Saan? Keep looking kasi. You're not looking. How many you got, Ellis? Ikaw, how many you got, Kuya? 2? How many you got? 2? How many you got? Huh? Oh, see? Put it there, Ellis. $10. Tingnan natin. Kung saan natin makikita yung $10. Wala kang makita. Sino nakakuha? Si Olivia? Ellis! Maghanap ka. Oh, wow. How many you got, Olivia?
5.
Dami ah. Daming tumutulong sa'yo ah. Where? Doon daw sa may wall. Meron pa daw doon. Sabi ni Mami. Tingnan mo dyan. Ayun. Yay! $10 yan. Oh, meron pa daw doon. Ellis, come on. Put it there. Put it inside there.
Wala na, nakuha na yun dyan.
Dito daw meron. Yeah, boy! Kuya Elijah! Oh, not you! Oh, wow! How many you got? How many you got, Kuya? 2? Oh, okay, I'll find you more.
And I feel like there's a big one.
Wala na, Mami. Nakuha ko na yung isa eh. Naglagay ako ng $100 eh. Hanapin nyo. Oo nga, naglagay nga ako. Hanapin nyo. Check this one. Yeah, check inside. Tita, ano yan? Hinahanap mo dyan. Baka makakita ka ng palaka dyan. Ayun na! Wala.
Daddy,
Wala.
there's nothing there.
There's nothing there? You gotta look, bro. Uy, ano? Grabe ang paghahanap ah. Saan area, tol? Gawan? Yeah.
Daddy, how do I get one?
You got lots. Wait lang.
Is that all?
No, there's... How many? Count din ako ilan.
I got 3.
Ellis got 5, I think.
I
Or
got
4.
7.
You have 7?
Yes.
Holy.
I got 5, Daddy. Oh no, can I eat it?
Ilan din yan ah?
Hindi ko alam. Si Olivia got, how many you have, Olivia? 7 eggs? 22. Saan area?
You have to dig. Trampoline.
Oy, dito daw yung $10. Nagpunta na lahat sa trampoline. Okay, Ellis pala yan. Ano? Pucha! Tidak, yung anak mo. Walis ka dyan. Sa halagang $10. Pucha. Una-unaan to ha, pag nahukay yan ha. Puta. Walang tulakan. Si Ate Tek, kaya makagahamal eh. Where, bro? Wait.
Daddy, no.
Oh, yung camera ko. Titek, wag ka. Go, get it. Oy! Titek! Wala naman laman eh. $10 daw to. $10 daw to. Meron pa isa. Other side. Digit, Ellis. Go. Ang lalim nun. Yun!
Daddy, I found total
4? Holy. Good job,
Just
bud.
gave me the answer. I'm just kidding. And then I think he gave me 2 more eggs.
Masisira pa yung camera ko eh. How many na? Kompleto na? Boom!
I hate this. Daddy, catch.
May 10 pa daw, may 10 pang itlog. Oh yeah. Wala na dyan, kuya, wala na dyan. Tingnan mo, check mo dito, kuya. Saan ba? May 10 pa daw eh, or 5 na lang ba? Meron pa daw isang itlog dito sa loob.